Okay,
down
so
here.
I am.
Hey. That's your thing? Hey, y'all, hey. You're vlogging?
Yes.
She was like, hey, y'all, hey.
Okay, so I am in Hawaii.
Waikiki. Honolulu, I think. All of the above.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys see how the video is gonna go so far. Crazy. But we are on a family trip.
They're probably still
and
walking. I hope they know they're on the elevator.
we just landed.
I'll go back after I go here. We could just
We just landed. So we're gonna get our luggage. My auntie insisted on me to start recording now. So I just wanted to do my intro.
because every moment counts. Tell me.
She says every moment counts. Okay. Yeah, she said why I wasn't recording all of this. So I just wanted to do the intro. So I'll show you guys when we get to the room or on the way to the room.
All of the above. All of the above. So that explains.
Okay, y'all.
Oh, you make that.
Okay, so we are in the shuttle.
Nothing else. It's all right.
We're about to go to our rooms, but we on the side of the freeway right now. The rest of our party.
It don't matter. We outside.
She about to be doing that the whole time,
The
y'all.
whole trip. So get
just
ready, vlog.
Don't mind her, okay? I broke one of my things. But yeah,
Break,
so
baby.
we're about to go to our room. We're in the shuttle. I don't know how long the ride is. Is it far? Do you know?
What, baby?
The room?
No.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see how long it takes. I'm gonna show you. I made it to my room. This is our balcony. It's so nice out here. It feels good. It's not too hot. It feels really good. I'm about to take a shower. And I'm hungry. I don't know if we're gonna eat right now.
You want to eat?
But I am hungry.
Excuse me.
And
Nobody in that room passed that phone around. Nobody told me there was a Wednesday departure. They said they was gonna be gone for the weekend, but nobody said there was in the middle of the damn week departure.
Yeah, we told you that.
middle of the week departure.
You knew we left on the 31st.
My auntie on the phone, man. But how the camera look like this? The lighting in here is bad, y'all. But I'm about to get in the shower and figure out what we're about to eat, and then we're gonna go from there. They gave us like a little kitchen right here. So yeah, I'm about to eat and shower. So I'm gonna see you guys once I get dressed. Okay, so I got dressed. This is my outfit for today. It's a two-piece green top.
Her auntie got dressed too.
She got dressed as well.
She got dressed
was
too.
on a
What?
three-piece.
Who leaving their phone?
That's her other phone probably. So we're about to go to, what is it actually called?
Ramen.
We're about to go to ramen.
Ramen.
Like ramen noodles and like stuff like that. So we're about to go there and eat. They might have salad. I'm sure they do.
They have something.
So
They
we're
might have
about to go and
something.
eat. This is Granny.
Hi.
So yeah, we're about to go get food. We're all dressed.
Girl, you about to get left. Your body is still naked.
Y'all got the keys, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
I think.
I got mine.
You heard what she said.
She
said, I think.
Yeah, I got mine. I put it in the wallet. Okay. Yeah, mine right here. Okay, so did the door close all the way? Let me check.
I want to have fun.
I need to put up your phone.
Well, you gonna have fun if you're not in the room.
Who I need it?
Your phone? Oh, why you didn't grab it?
I said the phone.
But yeah, so we're about to go to this ramen place. Everything is walking distance from us. So we are at a different hotel than everybody else. We're like down the street. So we're about to meet them. Go to the place. Well, we're about to take pictures. Me and my auntie. We're gonna take pictures first. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna take my pictures at. And then we're gonna go to the ramen place. So
Oh, they got Taiwanese.
yeah, I think. I don't know. I don't know if it's like top ramen.
No, those places, they have some good noodles. New top ramen noodles, they're really good.
Granny, who number is that in that group chat?
Who group chat?
The group chat that you sent with your
Tasha.
passport.
That's Tasha.
Why she say have a great trip?
That's nothing with you.
Oh, why I don't have that number? Okay, but yeah, so
Yeah, you
I'm
better
about to go
ask Tasha
take pictures.
what she wants you to do at her party.
We're gonna see.
I like that food. My mom and them, they all went there, but they say hi, y'all.
Hi. We are at
because they want to go to the beach.
ramen. What is this called?
Well, I am,
I am too. I don't want to wear this.
but they already got their swim.
We're at this place right here. We're waiting to be let in.
I'm like, you need to do a bike, but I don't want to tell. Woo!
Is this like pho?
No, it's like ramen.
Yeah, it's ramen.
So yeah, we're about to get seated.
Tell them that it's literally next to the highway.
So this is the inside of the restaurant.
Can you be inside of the restaurant?
You want like me, you in my video? Okay.
Because she loves herself so much.
Okay, give me.
She cannot be left out of any footage.
I really do love.
I mean, I love Sharon.
Say hi, guys.
Hi. I want to say hi.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
What you say?
So I don't want to order my ramen like with the Asian names, with the miso and stuff. I want them to give me the noodles with the sauce, the juice, and the pork belly and green onions and eggs. And like not all. I don't want to call it. But I don't know what sauce I want.
Can I sit with no onions?
Do you know?
You think they could do that?
Do you know what the juices look like? Like what is this? What?
It's like a broth.
But I don't want certain broths. Can I just get top ramen kind of broth? I want flavor.
Yeah. Chicken, beef,
What flavor?
shrimp.
The liver. Oh, well, Sharon, tell her that the other two are outside so they can sit right there.
Oh, man.
I don't want liver. She gonna get liver ramen?
No. She was saying what?
come here.
My camera crooked.
It's it right here next to the car.
Hopefully this is not gonna be in the way.
Like, you gonna get liver?
No. Who said liver?
Excuse me.
No. What you said? I didn't say liver.
Okay, we're outside. Partaking in activities. Okay,
Do you know which one you're gonna get? You're gonna get C.
Okay, so I want. Okay, she don't know. So the spicy ramen. What's in it?
Spicy is a ground pork and beans sprout.
So do you have pork belly?
No, they don't have it. The pork belly is all for the kind of normal.
Well, can you tell me? I don't know. Tell me the normal.
Okay, so my camera's a little blurry on my now.
That's all I need.
We have to
Hi, Deja camera. Hi.
I told you I should gonna do this all week. Okay.
All week.
I'm using chopsticks. This is called Tokyo. Oh, I need to ask her.
Not in
She don't know how to use chopsticks. Just like pick it up with one of the sticks and
I
then
got ramen.
I can.
And I'm trying to use a chopstick, baby. I'm from the hood. We eat our noodles with a fork. It's like eating top ramen though.
people talking to you.
She don't even know how to talk
so
back.
pretty.
Oh, thank you, sister. It's the filter. I mean, I do look pretty without the filter, but the filter is so pretty.
Okay.
Only three.
She has
They do one.
I just want to bite. I want to try.
I tell my kids,
Soy sauce. That's the sauce right there.
That looks like it
right here.
Wait,
That's Deja's.
This shrimp fried rice. Yes.
what about garlic shrimp fried rice? Okay. There we go. This is, that's like so easy.
This is the shrimp fried rice. It look a little unseasoned, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see because the noodles is good.
This fried rice.
It's good. Everybody's
That's
saying
all I
it's
needed.
good.
That's all I needed. I didn't even need the hummus.
Fried rice was hitting.
My God.
Hit it.
My God. I will eat this fried rice again before I go home.
It's 1 minute.
This fried rice is good.
Definitely gonna eat the fried rice again before I go home. I got a spoon, chopstick, and a fork in this ramen. I got a lot. She go party.
I ain't even show you my ramen.
Turkey.
Hi, auntie girl.
Right, put on some of my supervisor.
This is the ramen. This is the what's this called? Fried rice. Fire. This is hers.
And trust me, when I become the boss lady, I'm gonna be the best.
She got, what is that? Garlic shrimp fried rice.
Yes, baby.
And oxtail. How was that?
That was fire.
Good.
Website where you bought something from to see how to put it on.
The outfit, we got a bathing suit.
I sure did have to go to Shein to figure out how to put this bathing suit on because I was confused. I was lost.
Okay, so how far is this walk? She got us walking to the beach. People saying it's 20 minutes. If she got me walking for, it's gonna take a minute?
No, baby, not long.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I get it, why you need me.
We're at the bar. Casamigos and Burns. Why didn't you do this? I don't know. It's my little cranberry juice.
It's like an educational experience.
Right here. Oh, this is
That's in my car. So I got Casamigos and pineapple juice. She got, what'd you get? Cranberry and Hennessy. Yeah, very minimum on the cranberry. It don't even taste like cranberry is in there. Mine tastes like straight pineapple.
I Ubered Clubhouse because I got addicted. Can you get my cup? All of us. I Ubered to the beach just for us to get there, and we didn't even touch the water. We walked right back instantly. Yeah, you said, I want to feel that water. I want to feel that water. And then I found out all the clubs. The district, he said, is popping. So we got to do district. Then it's tonight? We don't have to do it tonight, but it's a couple. I have a girls game if y'all want to just, after this, like get, you know, play the girls game or whatever. I don't know. I can teach everyone how to remove their gag reflex. I can teach yours. Girl, you think? No, because that right there, you be on YouTube, so they might not want to share that. But I can
She gotta edit that part.
I can show you guys how to do something special that will get you far.
Not that will get you
It'll
far.
get you far in life.
She's talking about, you said what?
Removing your gag.
Removing your gag reflex. You guys.
It's very simple. I'm not gonna show you how I'm not gonna gag, but right here, and right here, you press it hard.
I heard that
For
before,
10
but I
seconds.
don't think that works.
Do it. Like, press it hard for 10 seconds. And then all the way down.
What are you doing?
Removing my gag reflex. Let me show you how to do it.
She's so excited.
I gotta get comfortable with sitting in my blood.
Okay, she said hold it here for 10, you said 10 seconds?
Yeah, and you gotta press it hard right there.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Now stick your
10.
finger down that throat. Down that throat. Down that thing.
She was so shocked because I did it too, and I'm like, hold on. You gotta try to do it without it to see if you still going.
You know, you
Yeah.
brush your teeth and gag.
I
Think
do.
about it.
Yeah, I
So,
do.
To me, that's what it's really for. I hate when I brush my teeth. Where you learn that? It feels good. It do feel good. All right.
Come say hi.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
So,
Where's the radio?
All right, look.
Dejo, where's the radio?
It's over there.
Oh, let me get it.
Can you get the speaker, Tanisha? It's on the
But
chair.
I
The
need the phone.
blue
I
one.
need the phone too.
Oh, never mind. She needs the phone. Okay, well they're about to play music, so y'all know what that means. Huh? I don't think so. Pooh and Auntie Kiana about to jump in. Let's go!
It's alright, you on vacation. I don't know you out here.
Literally 2 minutes or a minute after the clip of me jumping in the pool, and this is what I look like. I scratched my nose, and now I gotta walk around like this. This is ridiculous, but I'm about to go get back in the jacuzzi, so I'll see y'all in a minute. Good morning, guys. It is day 2, and it is 8:24 a.m. This time difference that makes me look weird. This time difference got me like, and I don't like this lighting on my face. It makes me look weird. Let's see. Anyways, I'm about to go back this way. But it's day 2. We're about to go to breakfast. I've been up since like 6:55 Hawaii time, like 6:45, 6:50, something like that. The reason why I'm not in the room is because they're playing music while they're getting dressed. But I never knew that was down there. But yeah, we're about to go get breakfast, and then we're gonna go back to the beach. Oh, look at the view, guys. Wow. This is nice. So, yeah, Hawaii's weather is really giving like California, and I kind of love it because it feels great out here. Like, it's not hot, it's not cold. Is that a chicken? I need to move before I drop my camera. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for them to finish getting dressed. I just finished. I have on something simple for now. Skims 2-piece. Cute. I look fat, but period. Skims 2-piece. Kim is a goat for these. I love these. But yeah, so we're about to go eat. I don't know where we're going yet. I'm just hungry, and surprisingly I'm not tired. I don't even know if these breakfast places are open because it is 8 o'clock, but we're gonna see. What else do we have planned today? My auntie wants to go zip lining. I don't know if we're gonna do that. I don't think so, but she wants to do that before we leave, so we're probably gonna see if we can find anything like that today, like anywhere to do it. And then I want to get drunk, y'all. Oh my god, let me show y'all. Y'all might not be able to see it, but my little scratch, like, no, my little scratch, this is crazy, y'all. Like, I really, like, when I tell y'all I simply just jumped in the pool, like, the video is here, like, literally the video is here. All I did was jump in the pool and this happened. Face was leaking. Like, one of my aunties was like, Deja, why are you bleeding? And I'm like, everybody like, go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom. Nose leaking. Like, I don't know if it was my nail, my braid whacked me. I have no clue. I have no clue. But now I'm sitting here with this ugly scratch on my nose, and I just refuse to walk around with a band-aid on my nose. I'm not about to look stupid in Hawaii, so it's just gonna look like this until further notice. But yeah, I'm waiting on them. They're taking a long time. I'm hungry. I don't even like breakfast food for real, but I'm just gonna eat it. Like, I like it when I have a taste for it, and most of the time it don't be in the morning, so it's really hard for me. But, yeah, I'm about to go back in here, wait for them to get dressed, and go from there. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. Look at this. My baby's so cute. Is she cute or what?
Yep.
She cute.
My bad.
She cute. She cute.
I tried to leave, but I can't. I don't know why I got no more. Drop me out of my mind. Don't need no other body. Don't need no other body. Only you can do that body.
Hey, cola. Could I have some hot water? Oh, you know that one? You have that blue.
Don't need no other body. And I'm eating medicine for mine. I'm eating to get free up in mind.
It's dark. You can't even see. We are walking to Walmart to get necessities and like water and all that stuff that we might need. I don't think we're all gonna make this light, but yeah, we're walking to Walmart. My cup is almost gone. How far is your cup?
It ain't even halfway.
Because you ain't been drinking it.
Because I gotta use the bathroom.
You say you have to use the restroom?
I do.
Say hi, Granny.
I love older people. They are so funny.
My cup almost gone. This is how I feel. My thing was up here when I filled it with juice, and now it's almost gone.
All the rules of who we know, but now we gotta follow. I love it.
I'm about to finish this. But me and my auntie gotta take a sip together. She ain't drunk none of her cup.
I did, babe. I did.
I don't think you did.
But Kiana added my tie to it.
Oh, why she didn't add my tie to mine?
I wish, because there's a lot in mine.
Pour me some.
Not my tie.
Say hi, Money. Hi. You gotta twist my top
I'm
off.
not about to do that.
Please.
I can't.
Imani, can you twist the top? Oh, we got the same cup, girl.
Twinsies.
Right. That's my girl. This the bartender right here for real.
What happened? Hire me.
She's the bartender.
Hire me.
Imani is the bartender. She get it done and she get you drunk. And it don't taste like alcohol. And it don't taste like alcohol.
No hangover.
She been sneaking me drinks since I was like,
Girl, don't be getting
17.
That is a lie.
It don't matter. It's okay.
I plead the fifth.
Girl, we both do because I don't know nothing. Oh, it be her with the whiskey though. I gotta drink whiskey when I drink with her.
I need to go
Like a big girl.
like a big girl.
You gotta go this
do the
way.
little fruity drinks over here.
Oh, I got a purse. Okay, so we're in Walmart. I wish I was on that cart. Where my granny at? Oh. Oh, this is strong. Granny, what you drink? What's in your cup? Hennessy? They just mixed it, yeah. Granny got a cup of Henny in her cart. That's her specialty. Oh. Nah, I got too much in mine. Imani just refilled me. It just ain't no ice, so it's kind of strong. Oh, okay. What you gonna get? Okay, it is now beach time. I just woke up from a little 20-minute, 30-minute nap and got my bathing suit on. So this is what I'm wearing. Let's see what you're wearing. Ooh, polka dots. It's giving body. It's giving body. Body yaddy.
Oh, I'm thinking I got to put my thing on my arm and I got it going on and I ain't got no hair.
Oh,
Change my
gosh.
watch.
She said I ain't got no hair. But yeah, we about to walk to the beach. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit. Show you how I'm looking. Yeah, so we're about to walk.
Okay, you guys, it's beautiful out here, right? They just have to run back and get my mom's chair and our little mats for the beach. But we're walking to the beach. But isn't it beautiful? Like, it's beautiful out here. Like, look at this. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Just want to try to get a little glimpse of what we get to see.
Titi, say hi. Say hi. Mahalo. Say mahalo.
I could never go all the way out there like that. It is cool. I mean, you can walk.
So we're at the beach, as you guys can see. You ready? I'm about to take some pictures. Hold on.
I want a floating people.
Stand this way. I'm the picture person, even in the water with my cup in my hand, y'all. My cup gone again. My cup gone again. It's giving alcoholic. Imani looking like a... Imani looking real bad and bougie right now, sitting on the edge of the... She bought a cabana, y'all, and they ain't sitting in it. She got money.
I mean, I do what I do when I can.
She do what she do. They say you do what you do when you pop.
When
You
pop.
do what you want.
And I'm popping this vacation.
Period. Even though she be wanting to be in the room, y'all, don't let her fool y'all.
I don't like being.
I get it, but you never been here with me, and that's
Girl,
the problem.
that's every time we go somewhere.
She never been there with me. I feel like me and her, it's a different experience.
It is. We be having a good time.
Yeah, so come on.
And I cherish that time. I just don't cherish how long it takes. Like, I don't want to have the moments with you, like, after 3 hours of the night.
I don't like that.
I like sleep. Spit it out after. She can edit it out.
Ready?
She can edit it.
Come on. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Shot.
She was faking. She put her lips right there.
She had to take a shot for the vlog because she said she want to be in the video. And they talking about giving head. I don't need this conversation.
She is not fucking lying, because Duty said it himself. He's like, you gotta stop that. And I was like, I promise you, he was like, you gotta stop doing that. You gotta stop.
No, Kiana, for his birthday, bitch, on that boat, bitch, you better
give him head every day.
She better be doing what?
show you like this.
I got a salt in my mouth. Like, this is a catastrophe.
No, that's not an excuse. No, absolutely not. He knew what he was about.
Right.
Don't even want to even do it.
Whatever he do, he go out and cheat. So if he go out and cheat, who thought is that?
No, it's not. That nigga knew people.
I'll be back, y'all. They crazy. I can't show y'all. Good morning. It is day 3. It is 10 o'clock in the morning.
It is.
And we're about to go to breakfast. We're going to Aloha Kitchen. It's like a, what else is it, 7 minute walk, 8 minute walk, something like that. It's like an 8 minute walk. Hold on, y'all. So yeah, it's like an 8 or 7 minute walk. So we're about to go here and see what Aloha Kitchen is about. Last night, I know I stopped recording out of nowhere, but we literally went to sleep. We fell asleep. We missed dinner. We missed everything.
Oh, accident.
We woke up and ate noodles.
And they were fire.
They were.
And Lay's.
And Lay's with hot sauce. Stuff and chili.
Oh, are we close? You didn't tell us where to go.
Oh, I thought you was mapping it.
No.
Okay, let's see. Aloha Kitchen.
Oh, is that it right there?
Aloha Kitchen?
Yeah.
No, that's Aloha Green.
Damn.
I wish it was that close.
They want to try everything, so we're gonna go there for breakfast tomorrow. Me and her.
Okay, so we just gotta keep walking straight. I think ours is like really a straightaway. Are you sure? Where? I don't know where we're going, to be honest. Are we walking the wrong way? I wasn't mapping it. I thought you were.
So we literally went the wrong way all the way.
Yeah. So I have a meat lovers omelet. I asked for extra cheese. I wanted inside, but they put it on top. But this has bacon, sausage, and I don't remember what else.
And it's staying, it's staying fluffy.
What is these? Breakfast potatoes and toast. My auntie has French toast, fruit, and potatoes. You said grits?
Definitely did.
I think I was hungry.
I need to add some potatoes.
It's them putting the extra cheese on top like this.
My cheese is like everywhere.
You gotta be more specific.
They put it on one side. No, hers. That ain't right.
The omelet is good.
The food is good.
I like it.
I'm pleased.
To finish this. Oh man, I just put paper in my water. You like your food? It's good. Aloha Kitchen. I am in the massage parlor. I'm about to get a massage. This is gonna feel amazing. I'm about to get undressed. I just wanted to update you guys. So I'm about to get my massage. It's an hour and a half, I believe. So I'm about to get undressed and enjoy my massage. I'll let you guys know how it is after I'm finished because I'm tired. I've been walking and doing all type of stuff and I just need my body rubbed on. So I'm about to enjoy this. I'll see y'all when I'm finished. Look at this view. Hold on, I gotta clean my camera. Look at this, you guys. The views are amazing. Like the water looks so good from right here. The mountains and then the ocean right there. It's fire. Good morning, you guys. Today is my last day in Hawaii. So I just wanted to enjoy this beautiful view one last time. I'm sad, but I'm actually kind of happy because I'm ready to come home. My flight is at 1 p.m. It's currently like 8 something, almost 9. So my pickup is at 10. I'm about to head to the pickup location in a minute and sit at the airport and wait for my flight. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna probably eat at the airport.
But I just wanted to come and close this video out with this view back here. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.
Bye.